Okay, let's look at the microscope functionality of the LinkXpert M3. So we have LinkXpert M3 tool here, and we have softing fiber microscope on hand. That's a USB-based microscope. It's going to give a 200x or a 400x magnification. It's USB, so we'll just connect to the test tool. And the scope has multiple tips that can be used for different types of connectors, either bulkhead or into fiber. I've got an LC bulkhead tip on it right now. Let's go to the microscope function. So I'm going to click the Tools button, Fiber Optic menu, work my way down, and Microscope right there. So we're now live. I can use this tool to take a look at these in faces. There's a focus ring on the test tool. You can see it's in the red zone right now, so it needs to be focused. Let's bring that within focus. Now I'm green. You can see the focus level is much better now. Now that's a 200x magnification. Okay, I can actually bring that up to a 400x magnification by clicking the zoom button on the scope. And then there's a third button here that actually captures the image to actually grade it out to an IEC standard for in-face cleanliness. So there we've got a passing result that is passing to an IEC standard 613025 for in-face cleanliness. Very easy, very simple setup with the LinkXpert M3 and the softing fiber microscope.